Leading on from a currency pair price quote, we will now look at understanding the actual quote. If the price for Euro US dollar is 11045, then this means that 1 euro is worth 1.1045 US dollars. If the price for the Australian dollar to the US dollar is 0.7245, then this means that 1 Australian dollar is worth 0.7245 US dollar. If the price for the dollar to the Japanese yen is 11186, then this means that 1 US dollar is worth 111.86 Japanese yen. So when looking at a price quote for a currency pair, it is always one of the left hand side currency is worth that quoted in the right hand side currency.